We're going to change the battery in this key fob remote that fits a 1997 Ford Taurus. The main issue in changing the battery is you need to open the housing of the remote itself, the plastic housing, without cracking the plastic support that the key ring goes through. So I'm going to use a thin edge knife blade, put it down in there deep enough so that the pressure goes towards the edge of the housing and not through the key ring support. And to take the batteries out, I'm going to mash down on the retainers right here. The battery type is a CR 2016. There's two of them in here. Now when installing the batteries, make sure you put the positive side down. That's the positive side of the battery. Again, positive side down. Now we're just going to put the housing back together. And that's it.